Yo, YouTube, what up? Got a two package mail day, one from YouTube, one from eBay. First, the eBay one for my Mike Stanton PC. Another triple threads, triple jersey autograph, but this one numbered 73 of 75. So since I got another one of these, my 1 out of 99 may be for sale or trade. Let me know if you're interested in that one. And then I got into Super Tebow Fans mystery packs. So he says, "Hey man, thanks for getting into the packs. Enjoy your card, Super Tebow Fan 15." Really good mystery packs. First card I got was a Topps Platinum Dez Bryant Refractor. Next, an Edgerrin James Willis McGahee dual jersey out of 99. Then a 2010 Classics Adrian Peterson jersey numbered out of 50, 11 of 50. And then last card, Tim Tebow Press Pass jersey. So that's what I got in this mystery pack. Thanks for that. All these cards are traded for sale. Let me know. Thanks, and please subscribe.